are, finally, 12 months later, and I'm really excited to share this renovation with you. No wall has been left untouched. We have renovated this property from top to bottom. Let me show you around. The original colour of the building was lime green and orange, and really not fitting for the suburb, the fact that it's only 10 kilometres from the city, and the whole area is being beautified. The garage door's been painted, even the driveway has been redone. And it's amazing that a coat of paint can make such a difference to the property. Would you believe this property is 15 years old? The lounge room has been completely transformed. Originally we had carpet in here, curtains on the windows and only one ceiling light. During this renovation we've put through all downlights throughout the whole building to give the whole property a beautiful, fresh, modern feel. As part of the renovation, we've integrated a dishwasher, we've added in LED lighting underneath all the cupboards and additional power points. This is my favourite room in the house. We've added in an extra pantry to create more space in this beautiful kitchen, perfect for entertaining friends and family. It's spacious enough that you could add a study nook or additional storage if you need it. Let's go through to the outdoors. Originally we had a narrow timber deck that had rotted. We've replaced it with mod decking, now making it a lovely usable space to enjoy your barbecues, but you can also relax and chill out on a beautiful summer's afternoon. The other major transformation in this renovation has been the main bathroom. Gone is the corner spa bath with the ugly tiles. We had lots of water damage behind the shower because of poor plumbing. That's all been stripped back to stud walls. And my favourite thing in this bathroom is the freestanding bathtub. Throughout all the bedrooms, every room has been repainted, downlights have been put in throughout, as well as beautiful plush carpet in modern colours. Now the ensuite was also a complete transformation. We gutted it back to stud walls. The upstairs balcony has also received a makeover. Originally, it was dilapidated and falling apart and deemed unsafe. So just make sure that when you're going to do a renovation, that you crunch your numbers and you know what the outcome's going to be before you even lift up a hammer. The story here is nothing new. We all know that over the last century, property has gone up in value over the decades. Yes, there's been peaks and there's been troughs. We've experienced recessions and depressions. But this story goes to prove that once again, property does grow in value when you hold on to it for the long term.